In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Fortinet NSE 1 certification. If you're looking to bolster your cybersecurity credentials, the Fortinet Network Security Expert, or NSE, certification program offers a great starting point. The NSE 1 certification is specifically designed to provide foundational knowledge about network security concepts, and it's the perfect entry-level certification for professionals eager to deepen their understanding of cybersecurity. First, you'll need to head over to the Fortinet website. This is your go-to source for everything related to Fortinet products and certifications. Once you're there, you'll notice a search icon typically located at the top of the web page. Click on this icon to open up the search bar, which will be your tool for navigating the site efficiently. Now, in the search bar, type in Certification NSE 1. This search will bring up all the relevant content related to the NSE 1 certification. It's a straightforward way to access the necessary resources and information you need to get started on your certification journey. Once the search results appear, look for the option titled Certification NSE 1 and click on it. This step takes you directly to the section of the site dedicated to the NSE 1 certification. Here, you'll find a wealth of information about the certification, including the curriculum, objectives, and benefits of obtaining this credential. Next, you'll want to look for the guide about the course. The course guide is an invaluable resource as it outlines the key components of the certification process. It provides detailed information about what you need to study, the format of the examination, and other essential details that will help you prepare effectively. Throughout this process, remember that the NSE 1 certification is an introduction to the broader world of network security. It covers basic concepts that are essential for anyone looking to start a career in cybersecurity. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refresh your foundational knowledge, NSE 1 serves as a stepping stone to more advanced certifications in the Fortinet NSE program. As you explore the resources provided by Fortinet, make sure to take your time to understand the material thoroughly. The certification is designed to test your grasp of network security concepts, so a solid understanding will be crucial for success. Lastly, keep in mind that while the NSE 1 certification is free, it does require a commitment of time and effort to complete. But with the right resources and dedication, you'll be well on your way to earning your certification and advancing your career in network security. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide helps set you on the path to earning your Fortinet NSE 1 certification. Good luck and happy learning!